In this video we will be talking about the basics of Python and how to write basic scripts. We will also go through the setup of Python on your computer and how to run scripts. If you have already installed Python, you can skip to chapter 5. To install Python, go to the Microsoft Store and search for Python 3. Then we can search for Visual Studio Code. After installing both, we can open Visual Studio Code to start installing extensions. The extensions you will need to install are Python, file icons, optional, autodocstring, optional. For this part, you need to create a folder to contain your scripts. It can be placed anywhere. If you do not wish to make a folder, you can use an existing one or make a temporary one. Now we can add a file with any name, as long as we add .py at the end. Now we can test Python by typing print, hello world, as the file's content and pressing F5 to run it. There are many data types in Python. But the most common are string, str, integer, int, float, boolean, bool, and many more. We can think of data types as labeled boxes with different types of content. For example, a string, which is always surrounded by double quotes and can hold any sentence. Integers and floats represent whole numbers and decimal numbers respectively. They do not need double quotes and can be used for math later. Booleans have two values, true or false, also represented as 1, 0, or high, low. Functions are a series of commands used to modify or do something. A function we used before is print. The string we used before is called an argument. Print takes one argument. There are other functions built into Python. This is going to be it for this video. In the next video, we will be talking about variable and syntax. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe.